Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good info for you. Back with research methods lecture series, and today we have a series number 8. Before going into this lecture, kindly subscribe and good info for you, and please hit the bell icon, and it will notify you when we have new uploads on our channel. So we have our research methods. Today is again flashback of a definition. ये हम हमेशा इसलिए देते हैं कि हमें पता चल जाए कि हम किस सिस्टम की तरफ या किस मेथड की तरफ जा रहे हैं. So what is research? Research is a structured inquiry that utilizes acceptable scientific methodology to solve problems and creates new knowledge that is generally applicable. Grinnell 1983. आज है हमारा टॉपिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सैम्पलिंग एंड सैम्पलिंग स्ट्रेटजीज के हवाले से. सैम्पलिंग क्या है? सैम्पलिंग इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ सेलेक्टिंग अ सैम्पल फ्रॉम ए बिगर ग्रुप. द सैम्पलिंग पॉपुलेशन टू बिकम द basis for estimating or predicting the prevalence of an unknown piece of information, situation or outcome regarding the bigger group. So we have different routes in it. First of all, for the sampling we have a population. Population, the group of individuals from whom you select a sample group for your study. और जो आपकी रिजल्ट्स जब लिखते हैं तो पॉपुलेशन को आप n से सिंपल करते हैं, तो पॉपुलेशन से निकाला जाता है सैम्पल. और सैम्पल द स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स फ्रॉम होम यू कैन कलेक्टेड रिक्वायर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन टू एस्टिमेट ट्रेंड्स इन पॉपुलेशन, और इसको यूजली आप स्मॉल n के साथ लिखते हैं. सैम्पलिंग डिज़ाइंस और स्ट्रेटजी ये क्या होती है? द वे यू सेलेक्ट इंडिविजुअल्स इज़ अ सैम्पलिंग स्ट्रेटजी. इसके ऊपर डिटेल्स आएगी आगे लेक्चर्स में. सैम्पलिंग एलिमेंट और यूनिट. ईच इंडिविजुअल इन द सैम्पल इज़ अ सैम्पलिंग यूनिट. and sampling frame, a list identifying each element in the population. And the sampling statistics, findings based on the information obtained from the sample. एक सैम्पल से जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन आप लेते हैं वो सैम्पलिंग स्टैटिस्टिक्स होती हैं, और आमतौर पर ये उसकी पर्सनल डिटेल्स होती हैं, बायोग्राफी टाइप. Population parameters, the estimates arrived at form of sample statistic is population parameters. Types of sampling. Sampling in qualitative research, non-predefined rigid rules. We are more interested in exploring phenomena and don't go for inferences. Even one individual can be a sample, like case studies. Saturation point. In order to explore diversity, you go on to interviewing as long as you keep getting new information until you reach a saturation point where you feel satisfaction and end of studies, completion of study. Probability sampling. Each individual has an equal chance to be included or excluded from the sample. Non-probability sampling, individuals don't have an equal opportunity to be included or excluded in the sample. And mixed sampling. Simple random sampling, each individual has an equal chance. Lottery method, computer programs, random numbers tables. A stratified random sampling for heterogeneous population. Different homogeneous strata are made. Simple random sampling is used with each strata. For example, study on physicians, defining strata on the basis of specialization such as psychiatrist, cardiologist, and nephrologist, etc. Cluster sampling, less detailed than stratified sampling. Large population clusters are formed on some common characteristics such as geographical proximity. 3 clusters of university, college and madrasa वगैरह वगैरह. 1 stage, 2 stage and multi-stage. Convenience sampling, ease of access to sample population. Selected from the location convenient to the researcher The process continues until the researcher has been able to contact the required number of respondents or quota. Accidental sampling. Accidental sampling makes no attempts to include people as possessing an obvious characteristic, such as in marketing research. Judgmental or purposive sampling. Judgment of the researcher as to who can provide the best information to achieve the objectives of the study. To create a historical reality to understand a rare phenomena. Snowball sampling. Selecting a sample using networks used when little is known about the target's population, like prostitutes, gamblers, etc. Mixed sampling. Systematic random sampling. Sampling frame is first divided into a number of segments called intervals, then form the first interval using the SRS technique. Systematic random sampling. One element is selected. Selection of the other element is totally dependent on the selection of first element. For these whole lectures, we have a reference for your more information, for your clarity of concepts. Kumar 2005 Research Methodology, a step to by step guide for the beginners, Australian published Pearson Education. आप इनसे इस किताब को पढ़ने से मज़ीद वज़ाहत ले सकते हैं और हमें आप रब्ता भी कर सकते हैं हमारे दिए गए ईमेल पे और कमेंट सेक्शन पे. So thank you, keep watching, good info for you. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video. For any question you may ask in comment section. 24/7 we will be available to respond you, and on our email address gopsychologist@gmail.com. Thank you very much.